Hi Pearl.
Hi. How can I help?
I have a Bosch HMB8050/01 oven with an error code E101. We had a service professional replace the oven sensor and have narrowed down to the board. Can you lead me to a replacement board supplier?
What happened just before your Bosch oven displayed this message?
The fan continues to run and has had off and on for months now. So we are sure it's the board.
How long has this been going on with your Bosch oven? What have you tried so far?
3 service calls with a Bosch certified tech, and he said let's try the sensor, and if that's not it, it's a bad board.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just a vendor with the correct board and board ID number to be sure we get the right one the first time.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. The issue very well may be the oven control board. The oven control board has relays that regulate power to the bake, broil and fan circuits according to the user settings and sensor input. If one of these relays shorts out, the control board may send continuous voltage to the oven fan. However, this is rarely the case. Before replacing the control board, first check the oven thermostats. If an oven thermostat fails, it may cause the oven fan to run continuously.
Sounds like the solution to be. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.